Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. All right, today we have the Honda EU7000is. This Honda is a fuel injected inverter generator. Okay guys, the Honda EU7000. This is the newer version. And the way you could tell if you have the first gen or this model is right here. The newer one has 1 to 5. You'll see that the older one has 1 to 4. This helps you monitor your fuel. So now you could monitor your fuel by hitting this button right here. So that's your iMonitor. You have your output indicator, overload alarm, and oil light right here. This generator is Bluetooth capable. You can start, stop, and monitor everything on your phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth device. Parallel capable, so you can pair two of these together and double your output. You can also control your Eco-Throttle. Here are your circuit protection, your circuit breakers. That's your output on switch and off. You have over here your twist lock, 3-pin twist lock, and GFCI protected circuit, 1, 2. And this is going to be your 4-pin 240 volt output. Okay. This does have the CO monitor. If you start this inside the garage and your CO monitor and your carbon monoxide builds up, it will shut off the generator. Keys and push start. Really, really quiet generator, okay? This is your this is where you would select your 240 volt or 120 volt only. So when you have it here, you'll be able to use these switches. Flip it to 240, you'll be able to use that one. The Honda comes with this nice handle up front. Nice handle up front, so you'll be able to move this generator. Makes it real light with those huge tires in the back. No problem going through thick grass with this. One thing I like about this Honda, it has this guard all around the generator. In the front, top, the back. It's real nice. So you know if you bump into something, you shouldn't have to worry about it. And even on the front, you got to press these to put it down. So once you press that, it goes down. And then there's another guard up front. So it's protected all the way around with these guards. This generator also have a pull start, guys. In order to get your pull start, you have to open this right here. And you can see your pull start is right here on the inside. There's your oil fill. Let's take a look at the other side. All right, on this side, you'll notice your air filter down here, carburetor right here, spark plug access. You have to take this off, and this is all for sound reduction. This is one of the quietest generators. You're looking at 52 dBs, okay? That's your exhaust. It does have a spark arrestor on the exhaust. And this is where all your hot air comes out from. One thing that makes this generator so fuel efficient, like I said, is the fuel injected. Fuel injection really helps you save on fuel in this generator. Let's take it out. Let's do a quick sound test on this generator. I'm not going to do a load test. We're going to compare it to some other generators right now and then do a load test on the RV. Okay, guys, let me get it outside and do a quick dB test on it. Okay, guys, we got the Honda EU7000 running. It's in eco mode right now. I'm going to do a quick dB test in eco mode, and I'll switch it off and do a test on full throttle. Once we do the load test, we'll see exactly what it gets at a quarter load, half load, and full load. Get back 23 feet. About 51.5, 52 dBs. Eco mode on. They're right where they claimed it. About 55.7, eco mode off. So this thing is extremely quiet with eco mode on and off. Honda EU7000. Okay guys, right now let's compare this to something else. I like to compare it with something else to give you guys some options and kind of see what I think it compares to. That's my opinion. Okay, so I have the Honda 7000 and the Power Horse 7500i. Okay, the 7000 IS, 7500i. You can see these generators have a similar build. One wheel in the back, one stand in the front, protection all the way around, even the protection over the tank. Okay, you got the tanks, exact same tank. All right. Exhaust location on the bottom, almost identicals. Handle in the front, almost the same handle. Even the stand on the bottom. Remember that handle? There you go. This is the generator we're going to be looking at next. We're going to be running it against the Honda EU7000. Okay, guys. Honda EU7000. We're going to be putting it up against the Power Horse 7500. Once I review this generator right here, I will give you more stats about it. Right now, I just want to show you kind of the route we're going when it comes to comparing this generator. Okay? All right, guys, quick introduction to the Honda 7000 on this channel. We are going to be doing the full load test. Once you get to this stage right here where you're looking at 120 volt, 240 volt, okay, we're looking at complete whole home backup generators. That's the route we're going. Whole house backup generators. Okay guys, like I said, we will be reviewing this generator, doing the full load test on it, taking it to its max. Please stay tuned for that video. This is just a quick review of the Honda EU7000. So I wanted to show you guys the iMonitor real quick. So number one would be your hours. This is your run hours, your full-time generator hours. 2, that's your power output. 3, you got your RPMs. 4, your battery voltage. And 5, your fuel. Like I said, I don't have too much gas in there, so it's going to show low. Otherwise, it would show you your remaining runtime. One of the cool things about the Honda generators is this right here, the ability to use Bluetooth. All right, I have my phone connected to this generator. You see right here, it just comes to the Bluetooth section, connect to this EU7000is. There you go, generator started. Shows you your RPMs. Fuel is low. 13 hours left for the oil change. Eco-Throttle hours. You can turn it off. You can go through your maintenance. Everything here. Alright. It says it's low on gas. And then to stop it, you just long press until it turns red. And it'll shut off your generator. Okay guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Guys, thanks for watching again and have a nice day. Bye.